Welcome back to CarWow 787, your home for the most detailed and exciting car reviews, futuristic model previews, and everything that fuels the passion for driving. If you love exploring the latest innovations, cutting-edge designs, and thrilling new vehicles, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our fast-growing car community. Today, we're diving deep into a model that continues to redefine what a compact SUV can be, the 2026 Mazda CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 has always been a fan favorite for its balance between sportiness, style, and comfort. But in 2026, Mazda has taken things to a whole new level. This isn't just an update, it's a complete evolution. The new CX-30 combines Japanese craftsmanship, modern technology, and eco-friendly performance in a package that feels both emotional and intelligent. It's not just a car. It's a statement of Mazda's next generation. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 CX-30 builds upon Mazda's signature Kodo design philosophy, soul of motion, but with sharper lines and bolder proportions. The front fascia now features a sleeker, wider grille that blends seamlessly with the headlights, which are now adaptive LED units with a new, slimmed-down design for a more futuristic look. The bumper has been resculpted to improve aerodynamics and give the SUV a stronger, more confident stance. The body curves flow naturally from front to rear, creating reflections that change beautifully with every light angle, something Mazda's design team is known for mastering. Around the sides, the 2026 CX-30 sits slightly lower for a sportier silhouette, but still maintains that SUV practicality. The 19-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels come as standard on higher trims, while the new wheel arch design gives it a rugged yet premium feel. At the back, the rear taillights now feature a 3D LED design, giving off a striking glow at night. The roof spoiler and reworked diffuser not only enhance its sporty appeal, but also improve airflow for better efficiency. Mazda also introduces new color options in 2026, including Soul Crystal Red 2.0, Deep Ocean Blue, and a luxurious ceramic metallic, each meticulously crafted to reflect light with richness and depth. This attention to detail is what separates Mazda from the rest. Every surface, curve, and reflection is purposeful. Let's talk interior moving inside. The cabin of the 2026 CX-30 feels like stepping into a premium lounge. Calm, clean, and crafted with human-centered design. Mazda's designers call it less is more, and it truly shows. The interior layout focuses on simplicity and elegance. Every button, dial, and surface feels precisely placed to enhance the driver's connection with the car. The dashboard features a floating 12.3-inch infotainment display, integrated with Mazda's latest Connect Plus system. This system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control powered by AI for natural conversations. The digital driver's cluster is fully customizable and can display everything from navigation to safety alerts in high resolution. What truly stands out, though, is the craftsmanship. The materials feel luxurious. Soft Nappa leather seats, brushed aluminum accents, and genuine wood trims on the higher signature models. The ambient lighting is subtle and refined, giving the cabin a relaxing mood during nighttime drives. Mazda engineers have also improved sound insulation using thicker glass and better sealing materials to reduce road and wind noise significantly. The result? A quiet, cocoon-like experience that lets you enjoy your music or conversation in peace. Comfort has also taken a major leap forward. The front seats now feature Mazda's next-gen body-stabilizing technology, designed to maintain your natural posture and reduce fatigue on long journeys. The rear seats are more spacious, offering excellent legroom and adjustable recline angles. The trunk capacity remains practical, with a flat loading floor and new underfloor storage compartments. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-30 brings an impressive lineup of powertrains. The base model features the updated 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine with mild hybrid technology, producing around 190 horsepower and delivering improved fuel efficiency. But the star of the show is the new Skyactiv X 2.0 turbo engine, a marvel of engineering that combines the efficiency of a diesel with the responsiveness of a gasoline engine. It produces 250 horsepower and 320 newton-meters of torque, giving the CX-30 a surprising punch for its size. Mazda has also confirmed that an all-electric variant will be available in select markets, offering around 400 kilometers of range per charge, built on Mazda's latest eSky platform. The electric version comes with instant torque and fast charging capability, making it both eco-friendly and exciting to drive. Handling has always been Mazda's strongest point, and the 2026 CX-30 continues that legacy. The G-Vectoring Control Plus system works seamlessly with the new adaptive suspension to keep the ride smooth and composed through corners. Whether you're gliding through city streets or tackling winding roads, the CX-30 feels responsive, agile, and planted, something you don't often find in compact SUVs. The steering is precise and communicative, and even though it's an SUV, it feels as connected as a sports sedan. Safety and technology are areas where Mazda has made huge strides. The 2026 CX-30 includes iActiveSense 3.0, the latest suite of driver assist technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist, lane centering, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic braking, emergency lane avoidance, and a 360-degree camera with high-resolution clarity. The car can even detect pedestrians and cyclists more accurately using improved radar sensors and AI prediction algorithms. One of the standout features is Mazda's new driver monitoring system. A small infrared camera keeps an eye on driver fatigue, eye movement, and head position. If it detects signs of drowsiness, it gently alerts you or even prepares the vehicle for emergency braking if needed. The 2026 CX-30 also introduces Mazda's semi-autonomous driving mode for highways, allowing partial hands-free driving in slow-moving traffic. Mazda's engineers haven't just built a safe SUV, they've built one that feels alive. The connection between the car and driver, what Mazda calls Jinba Itai, has been perfected. Everything from the throttle response to the pedal positioning and seat ergonomics has been fine-tuned to make driving an intuitive, joyful experience. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. Thanks to the new mild hybrid systems and lighter construction, the CX-30 achieves up to 15% better mileage than before. The new intelligent AWD system also automatically adjusts torque distribution between the front and rear. Wheels for maximum grip while saving fuel when all-wheel. Traction isn't needed. Mazda's focus on sustainability also extends to the materials used. The 2026 CX-30's interior includes eco-friendly materials such as recycled fabric inserts, plant-based leather alternatives, and minimal use of harsh plastics. This not only reduces the carbon footprint, but adds a unique premium touch to the cabin. In terms of infotainment and connectivity, Mazda has stepped up its game. The updated interface is faster, cleaner, and more intuitive. The voice assistant can understand natural speech commands like "I'm cold" or "Find me a coffee shop," adjusting settings automatically. The navigation system now includes augmented reality overlays, projecting directions directly onto the windshield through a new 10-inch head-up display. For audiophiles, the 2026 CX-30 offers a 12-speaker Bose premium sound system with center-point audio tuning, delivering immersive concert-like clarity. The acoustic quality inside the cabin is simply phenomenal, especially with the added insulation. Driving the CX-30 feels like being in total control, confident, comfortable, and connected. The acceleration is smooth, the gearbox shifts with precision, and the handling remains composed even on uneven roads. Whether you're driving through urban traffic or taking a long weekend road trip, the CX-30 adapts perfectly. Mazda has also refined the maintenance experience. With remote diagnostics, the car can now alert your dealer about upcoming service needs, ensuring maintenance is proactive, not reactive. Over-the-air updates also keep the software fresh without requiring a visit to the dealership. When you look at the 2026 Mazda CX-30 as a whole, it's clear that Mazda isn't just chasing trends, it's setting them. This SUV isn't about massive screens or flashy gimmicks. It's about emotional design, driver connection, and real-world usability. It's made for people who appreciate details, who love the feeling of driving, and who value timeless design over fleeting tech fads. In a world where many SUVs are trying too hard to be everything at once, The CX30 stands out by being perfectly balanced. Practical yet premium, sporty yet sophisticated, efficient yet exciting. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Mazda CX-30. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to CarWow 787, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates from the world of cars. We bring you the newest releases, boldest designs, and most powerful machines from around the globe, all in one place. This is CarWow Day 7, where innovation meets emotion, and every car has a story worth sharing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.